Hi everyone, let's explore some other formatting elements. So in previous video we saw how we can add italics, bold and some text with important meaning using strong and emphasis tags. Now let's check some other meaningful formatting text. First one is superscript tag. This element, superscript. I hope you understand what is superscript. Superscript is something where a piece of text has been moved above a normal line. Like if you're writing 2 to the power 5, so 5 is a superscript which is written at the top. So any text which you want to write, let's suppose if I say let me add, like this is a superscript text, right? And if I wrap this in a superscript tag, which is the sup tag, and if I put it like this, and let me open this file. Now if you see here, here it has come, this is a superscript text. Can you see the superscript? It has been raised above a normal line, right? It is at the top. So whenever you have to add something like this which has to be put above a normal line, you have to use superscript tag. Like suppose let's say you have to write 2 to the power 5. So 2 and then 5 has to be in the power, that means at the top, and that means you write 5 here like this. So it will come like this, 2 to the power 5. So superscript, anything which you have to write above the normal line. So that is a superscript text. Similarly, we have subscript text. So if you see, this is a, and for subscript we use sub tag. For superscript we used sup. Similarly for subscript we are using sub. So it is subscript. So this is a subscript text, right? And it will come below the normal line. So whenever you have to put anything below the normal line, you will use subscript text. For example, mostly in the chemical formulas, if suppose you want to write H2O, so H you will write normally, 2 you have to write at the bottom, and next is O you will write like this. Okay, so it is H2O. So that means something which you have to write below the normal line, you will be using the subscript text. Another tag which we can explore is the small tag. Like suppose if you are writing something normally, so you say this is a normal text, but again if you write this in a small tag wrapped in a normal, so you can say this is a smaller text. Let's check. Can you see the font size has been reduced? So if you have to write anything in a very small, you can use this small tag. So when you write anything wrapped in a small tag, it has become small. So this is a smaller text. We have another tag which is called as mark tag. Mark means where if you want to highlight something, in your text. Like if you're saying like my favorite color is red, and suppose this is in a paragraph and you want to highlight any word or any piece of text. Let's suppose I want to highlight this red, so I will wrap this red text in this mark tag like this. So see, my favorite color is red and red has been highlighted. So anything when you have to highlight it, you can use this mark tag. Inside HTML we have one more tag which is used to represent anything which has been deleted. Suppose if I say like my favorite color is not blue but red. Suppose previously I had mentioned it is blue but now it is red. So that means this one text I have to remove, or it has been updated or deleted. You can mark it as in a delete tag, which is del tag, and you can put this text inside it like this. And again you say, see, my favorite color is not blue but red. It will put a strike on your text which will indicate, but the meaning of del is that this text has been, or this has been deleted and the other one has been updated. Okay, so this are some of the other tags which I wanted to discuss about. We will explore more in the coming videos. See you soon. Bye bye.